Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're making a rich and creamy white chocolate pistachio latte that's packed with sweet, nutty flavor. This coffeehouse-inspired drink combines smooth espresso, melted white chocolate, and pistachio goodness into one irresistible cup. It's perfect for cozy mornings, relaxing afternoons, or whenever you're craving a special homemade latte. Let's get brewing. White chocolate pistachio latte recipe ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1 hive cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk of choice, 2 tablespoons white chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon pistachio syrup, 1 tablespoon finely chopped pistachios, a whipped cream. Extra pistachios for garnish. Directions: brew the espresso or strong coffee and set aside. In a small saucepan, heat the milk over medium-low heat. Add the white chocolate chips and stir until completely melted. Stir in the pistachio syrup until well combined. Pour the espresso into your favorite mug. Slowly add the warm white chocolate pistachio milk mixture. Stir gently to combine all the flavors. Top with whipped cream if desired. Sprinkle chopped pistachios over the top for garnish. Serve immediately and enjoy every creamy sip. Thanks for watching. This white chocolate pistachio latte is a delicious blend of creamy sweetness and nutty flavor that feels like a gourmet coffeehouse treat. Give this recipe a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing coffee recipes and drink inspiration. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.